Okay, question 10 on our fraction division review. The question is, Neil bought 2 pounds of beef. He wants to make hamburger patties that weigh 1/4 a pound each. How many patties can Neil make? So I'm going to start by circling what I know or what the problem tells me and underlining what I don't know or what the question is asking. So it says Neil bought 2 pounds of beef. So I know that he has 2 pounds of beef. He wants to make hamburger patties that weigh 1/4 of a pound each. Okay. How many patties can Neil make? So the question is, how many patties can Neil make? So right here, it's actually telling me my units. I'm going to end up with patties, a number of patties that Neil can make. So let's think about it. Would it make sense to do 1/4 divided by 2? Well, I have 1/4 of a pound, and I divide it by, I break it into 2 pound pieces, or to 2 pieces. Wait a minute, that doesn't make sense, right? It doesn't make sense to have 1/4 of a pound and break it into 2 pounds pieces. That doesn't make any sense. So we have to use some logic in here. That means we are using our brains to say what makes sense. Let's look at 2 divided by 1/4. Okay, so we have 2 pounds, and we want to break it into 1/4 pound pieces. That makes sense. So I'm going to run with that. It's 2 divided by 1/4. Okay, we start with our dividend. That's that first number in our division problem. So I need to draw 2 holes. I'm going to draw circles just for fun. You can draw your holes as circles or rectangles, whatever you prefer. So now I'm going to move on to my divisor, or that second number. I'll use a different color since I used green in my up above. Use pink, pinkish red. Okay, so I need to break those 2 holes. You can see that each of these is 1 pound of hamburger. That's what each of these circles represents, is 1 pound of hamburger. So I need to break that up, each of those pounds of hamburger, into 1/4 pound pieces. So I'm just going to break them each into equally as I can, 4 pieces. Now, how many 1/4 pound patties can Neil make? Well, each of these is 1/4 of a pound. So he can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He can make 8 patties. That's my answer.